Hi, this is Don with Tiffin Motorhomes. Today I'd like to introduce our 2024 Tiffin Byway. This is the starter level of our diesels. If it's okay with you, I'd love to show you something special about it today. So as we work down, as you know, we're gonna have a three-stage paint, just like the rest of our lineup, BSF paint. As we move forward, we come down, you're gonna have an outside entertainment center. If we open up some of our cargo bays, just like the rest of our diesel lineup, we build all of our cargo bays doors in-house. Pass-through storage, top and bottom on the straight rail chassis. Access to the back of your fridge. So the power plant that we're using on this is a 340 horsepower. It's a Cummins motor 6.7, 700 foot-pounds of torque. You're gonna get a 2500 transmission. It's gonna give you 5,000 capacity on pulling. As you see, we have a full wall slide on the outside, Girard awnings attached to the outside, and Girard awnings on the top, which are your topper awnings. If you like, I'd love to take you inside and show you more. What's special about this one, as you can see, when you go to a full wall slide, how much space you get from front to back. One of the options that I think is pretty cool that's in here, if you look and you look up here, we have an electric drop-down bed this year. That's going to be in all of our lineup from the Faden all the way down to our open road, which is our gas coach just below this. As you work through all the comforts of home, you're going to have your theater seats, you're going to have your wraparound booth. If you look on this side, you're going to have a fireplace, a lift TV that comes out of the countertop that you can also put down when you're entertaining. Look how much cabinet space you get. A lot of drawer space. This is all 100% wood. You're gonna have two colors. You're gonna have the white linen or the darker shadow, so you get two options in the cabinetry. As you work back here, you're gonna get an LG electric fridge right here in the hallway, which is pretty cool, pretty accessible for everybody to do all their laundry. Our typical half bath with some closet space. Now, as we work back into the bedroom, tons of cabinet space, two wardrobes. As we work our way back to the rear bathroom, as we walk in here, a ton of space, his and her sinks, a nice large walk-in shower, the ability to turn around. One of our coolest features is our shower miser. This is a feature where you have a valve, and as this water heats up, instead of the water running and you stick your hand in and wait for it, once this turns gray, means you're at the temperature. You can turn the water on and save a lot of water out of your tank. And working back up to the front of the motorhome, what I did touch on a little earlier is our newest option that is from our Faden down is our new electric drop-down bed. Let me show you how easy that is to use. Now, if you do not have people that are coming along, a lot of our folks will take this out. This is an area for extra pantry area that you can put all your canned goods, get them up out of the way. But it's just a nice feature this year to not have to manually pull it down and being electric. Also, one thing that I would really like to cover, why this coach does so well. So this is actually in that early 300 retail price point. That's a gas coach price point. What you're gaining is, you're going from a front engine platform, which would be a V8 motor and a gas coach, to a rear engine 340 horsepower Cummins motor, 700 foot-pounds of torque. It's going to give you the ability to pull a little bit of a bigger trailer, bigger tow vehicles, and also your carrying capacity, because now you're on a full air ride with hydraulic jacks. Hey, thank you for watching. For more information, check out generalrv.com for the new Tiffin 2024 Byway.